Introducing the stunning 2020 Skoda Octavia Style 2.0 TDI with all the bells and whistles you could ever dream of. From its sleek blue exterior to the powerful 115 horsepower engine, this car is sure to turn heads on the road. Packed with comfort features like cruise control and satellite navigation, as well as top-notch safety features including multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. This car also boasts stylish 18 alloys and a chrome package. Rest easy knowing this vehicle has been fully checked, serviced, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us now or visit spiritskoda.ie for more.